Hello Phil, how are you? I'm starting to do this type of video responses. I hope that this helps. Now I'm just experimenting. Maybe I don't have too much feedback for you because there's no video, but I wanted to just record a video and speak a bit. Well, you asked about working at different tempos. I think that the idea of increasing speed is nice. Using your guitar profile, that's a great idea. It has also a practice tool that it increases gradually the tempo, which is very useful too. You are wondering why you are sloppier between 75% and 86, and then at 88 you are tighter. That's a nice question. I don't know if I have an answer for that, but sometimes I have experimented in the past this. For example, I remember being able to play sweep picking at very fast tempos, but then I had to practice the slower ones. I think that we need to practice at different tempos because the mechanics are very different. Maybe you can play something really slow, maybe you can play something really fast, but in the middle of these tempos, the movement can change. Remember what Troy Cetina said about this. He said that we need to use different mechanics, different types of movements depending on the speed that we are playing. And there's a type of mechanic for the faster stuff, and there's another type for the slower stuff. And what we are doing when practicing is to mix them. So at any point, both things meet. So maybe that's the section in which you need to continue working and practicing to make both sides connect. I think that this could be a good answer that sounds nice. But the easier way to answer to your question is just to say that maybe you need to practice at these tempos too. Maybe you practiced more faster and slower, but you never practice on a medium, on this level, on this tempo, and you need to do it because you'll find songs that are at the highest tempo of this lesson, that is 120, but you'll also find blues songs in 100, 110, 90. So it's I think that you should consider a big part of your practice and a big part of practicing a lesson to be able to use all the backing tracks provided to play the stuff over it. I think that it will help a lot, and it will have a big impact in your playing for the future lessons, future songs, and whatever you will play. So that's my answer to that question. And now I have to stop the video.